Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are so very much welcome. If you are into makeup, hair, cleaning, motivation and lifestyles, you are so very much welcome and feel comfortable into this house. So today I didn't do a full I didn't do colors for my eyes, but I have a package. So I have been duped before over wigs, and I just decided, like, you know what, if I'm going to look at these, but I still have to go to the shop because most of these online markets don't have shops, like they don't have physical shops. So I got one, and here is the package. I went, so they did try everything that needs to be written, but here it is. So this is semi-human hair. It's not synthetic, it is semi-human hair. I looked at the synthetics and they really have good synthetic hairs. So this is the wig, and it comes with a wig cap. Very fantastic. I'm so super excited for this. They also sell glue and the remover, like this is a bond and the remover. So I'm so excited and so anxious, but let's get into this. My hair, I'm not doing a haircut anytime soon because I need this to grow. I need this to grow out, these fronts to grow out. So I'm not going to do anything as per now. But anyway, let's get into this video because I'm so excited. So this is the wig. It is so long. It is super duper long, like it's very long. And then this is how it comes. Oh my god, I didn't check this properly. And then this is it, and this is so soft. Like, she's really doing a good job out here. Like, come on, check that out. So she's on Instagram. So it is called methodslady.ke. They have their shop at New Al Nur Plaza, 3rd floor. New Al Nur Plaza, not the exhibition center. Exhibition. Okay. It's in the new plaza. So y'all go there. They really have good hairs. It also comes with a free wig cap. This is very nice. I'm so excited. So first I'm going to wear a wig cap. This is very important so that the glue or whatever kind of bond you are using not to go onto your hair, and it's generally to protect your hair and to also get much more hold from the hair. So guys, this is my first time doing this. I have never ever installed a wig before. I've been installed for, then after that I just wear like a glueless wig. So I'm going to use got2b glue spray and blow dry it. Yeah, blow dry it. And just take your time because it has to dry out. That will make the sculpting very much easier. Then after that I'm going to sculpt. I'm going to trim those extra baggage. I don't know how to say it. I'm going to do that. Then after trimming it to how it's supposed to be, then I'm going to take my powder and just powder my head so that it can blend easily. Like, let that look like my skin. Then from that, I'm going to use this glue that I also got from them. Let me not call it a glue, let me call it a hair bond. I also got it from Mayfit's Lady, and I'm going to put it, then leave it on until it's tacky. Yeah, until it's tacky or sticky. So since it was my first time, y'all obviously know a mistake has to happen, and your girl did put on a lot of glue. Like, I did put a lot of glue, but anyways, my wig did stay put, and it's a wig that is from ear to ear, so I didn't know that because stupid me, I didn't measure that. Yeah, I didn't measure it. So I'm going to take the wig, and on that lace part I'm going to also do the same as I did my forehead, my hair before. I'm going to take my powder and just powder it for a seamless blend. Then I'm going to put it on, and this is a long wig, and it was so difficult. When you watch these YouTubers, they make it so easy, they make it look like a pro even for beginners. My friend, this shit ain't easy. It's not easy at all. So I'm gonna catch it for a while. Oh, my English is really going out of the roof today. So I'm gonna hold it for a while for it to stick. Then again, I forgot to buy something that I will tie, and also my silk scarf was dirty, and I couldn't my cat has been sleeping on them. They just take it from the wardrobe when they find the wardrobe is open, and they sleep on it, so it has a lot of hair, so I could not use it. So I just decided to hold it and then wear my silk head wrap. Yeah, that's what I did. So I'm just gonna put that and tie it so tightly, and it did help actually, because after that I went and took my lunch, and after like 30 minutes it was all good. Like, look at that, like 30 minutes it was all good and sticky. So after that, I'm just gonna hold some hair behind and going to do them edges gotta be dead, like gotta be dead. Okay, I'm talking a lot. So I'm going to do the edges, and for the edges I'm going to use got to be glue in the bottle, not the fritz spray. And you have to be careful, because at this point you might take the wig, like the hair, the longer hairs, and also use it as part of your, baby hairs, because it's so tough and it gets messy. Let me tell you, I messed up a lot of times. Like, I really did mess up. Let me just tell y'all, I did mess up big time. Because anyway, I took this as a challenge because it was my first time. So I'm going to use this serum. I have forgotten the name, though I've just seen it a second ago while I was doing voiceover. But anywho's, I'm going to use it to for it to shine and also make it more easier to manage. And I was so surprised because it is kind of like it's 99% human hair, and I was so afraid that it was going to tangle so much. It did tangle, but I thought it was going to tangle like the synthetic wigs, and combing through would be a task, but it wasn't. Actually, it was much easier, and I did it so fast that I was surprised at myself. And I have to give Mefit a pat in the back. You give credit where it's due, and they deliver. They deliver. So I'm feeling the vibe of this hair so much. I love it because it's easier to manage, easier to detangle. It's easier to tangle. It's easier to detangle, and then it gives you the vibe of, the rich girl kind of thing.
So I'm going to use kind of tiny comb to just brush through, and believe you me, it was so easy and it was so quick. I was surprised at how easy it was. Nice stuff. Like they deliver, honey. Oh, child, they do deliver. And so I was thinking of doing a deep part, but unfortunately, they only plucked a really tiny section for me. So I'm going to have to deal with that for now. But girl, I'm loving this wig to the every inch bit of it. Like seriously. So yeah, as you see, as I said before, I was trying a part which unfortunately did not go as planned. Totally, it didn't go as planned. So I'm gonna let that sit like that. I'm not going to disturb it anymore, but I'll make sure to pluck it when I want to use it the next time. But for now, my girl gonna lock this and I'm going to put it in a ponytail. I'm going to try to put it in a ponytail, although I know it's gonna take me quite time, quite a few trials and errors up here and there, and but come on, I gotta try this. Like, and I was vibing to some old R&B's like the TBTs, the Asha, R. Kelly, the Neo, Rihanna's first debut and all that. Like, you know what I'm talking about. Like, I was in my feelings at this time. I was feeling sexy and also in my feelings and feeling good and beautiful and all that. I'm talking a lot. So I told y'all I'm going to put it in a ponytail, and girl, am I rocking that or not? I'm looking gorgeous. The wig is giving me the good girl kind of worth of my money kind of vibes, and I'm loving it, and I'm feeling in the music. Like, I'm feeling all these things. Like, y'all, come on, check me out. So anyway, that's all I had for you today, and there is more to come. There is more to come from me. Anyway, have a good day. Make sure you subscribe and hit that box down there, and I'm talking on my saliva, and bye.